Between the American people and Kenyan people, and here in Kenya between Kenyan citizens, local organizations, and the governments, local and county governments, to achieve one core objective: to build the trust and confidence in the government in their ability to deliver critical services, in this case healthcare services, to the Kenyan people. And we're going to do that by enabling local organizations to engage constructively with the county governments. We're going to partner with the county government to enable them to most effectively and efficiently utilize the resources they have to provide those services. And we're also going to build up the ability to detect fraud, waste, and abuse so that it can be reported and dealt with at the county and national level, so that all Kenyan citizens have the right to the services and the access to the services they rightly deserve.
Really great, because we've all talked about making sure that because health is devolved, as counties, we always want to make sure that we are offering the very best healthcare services to our people. And a big part of the challenge has been a lot of wastage on resources or fraudulent issues coming up and all that. So now what we are doing, we are working with the help of Usaid, with the help of the US government. But also what I really like about these programs is they have identified local players. What do you call them? Local development organizations, and with them then we'll be able to really partner well together, so that we make sure we have a lot of citizen engagement, so that our citizens, as we provide them these healthcare services, they are also able to know what is available, where do they go, also be able to report back to us if things are not working as well, and that sort of stuff. So public participation has been quite heavy in this morning session. May I take the